In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The integration of Trello and Slack can really streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage your projects and communicate with your team all in one place. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into Trello. Go ahead and open the Trello website. Once you're there, look for the Login button. Normally, it's pretty easy to spot. If you want a quicker setup, I recommend using your Google account for this. Just click on that option, and when prompted, select the profile you want to use to log in. That should take you right into your Trello dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access your workspace settings. Direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your Trello dashboard. Here, you'll see several options available to you. Look for Workspace Settings and click on that. Then, from the submenu that appears, click on Workspace Settings again. This will bring you to the settings page specific to your workspace. Once you're on the Workspace Settings page, scroll down to the bottom until you locate the section titled Slack Workspaces Linking. This might take a moment, but stay with me. In this section, you'll find the options you need to connect Trello with Slack, which is the whole point of what we're doing today. Now let's move on to the next step, connecting to Slack. In that area you just found, there should be a button that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and click that button. This is where the magic begins as you're initiating the connection between Trello and Slack. After you click that, you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll be prompted to link your accounts. This is an important step, so pay close attention. You'll see a list of permissions that Trello is requesting to access through your Slack account. It's always a good idea to take a moment to review these permissions. If everything looks good to you and you're comfortable with it, go ahead and click the Allow button. By doing this, you're finalizing the integration, and there you go. You've successfully integrated Trello with Slack. Now you can receive updates from Trello directly in your Slack channels, making it so much easier to collaborate with your team. You can set up notifications for due dates and comments, and even get informed whenever a new card is added to your boards. This integration can really elevate your productivity and ensure that everyone is on the same page. If you followed along, great job. If you have any questions or need help with troubleshooting, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And remember to hit that like button